One thing that I can say that we have been able to establish is a healthcare system that is very compassionate and kind and cares a whole lot about our members. We don't even call them patients. That is how sensitive we are to their needs. Calling them patients like somebody who is weak or sick coming into the hospital and not able to, don't have rights, and then people can take advantage of them. No, we don't even refer to them or treat them like patients. We refer to them as members because they are member of our organizations, a member of our programs, and they are members being an individual. So starting from our assessment, we call it global assessment. So we just don't come for all psychiatric assessment, mental health assessment, and mental status examining. No, we call it global assessment because our assessment is more detailed, goes beyond what people. In fact, we've had some professionals and providers come to say, "Oh, that's too much of our work. What kind of assessment you are doing on a 18 page? That's too much." But to treat a human being, you have to see the whole person. You just don't see a part of him or her. You just have to see the whole person and evaluate the whole person so that you'll be able to know what is the best way to and the best approach. And one thing that goes for us is that we use motivational interview technique. Everything we do is evidence based on scientific research that has been tested for years to work. And all our professionals are trained in all these evidence-based models that is used so that we be able to deliver the best outcome for the member. So we think about it that everybody that walked into our clinic, we treat such a person the way we want to be treated. That's the first question that we ask during the interview and throughout the orientation and training of our providers, to have a change of mentality and have a different mindset from what is obtained probably from wherever they come from and in other agencies and programs. So we make sure that when they come, that they can be able to adapt into our culture of care, our care culture of caring for the whole person uh, without a judgment. And not just like you coming in to see somebody who has no bad manners, but somebody with a lot of bad manners. That's why we employ a lot of nurses. And we employ a lot of nurses because they have been tested to be able to know and care much more in terms of being attentive to the needs of the patients. And of course, we also have psychiatrists. You can report to a psychiatrist, but the main thing is that they are able to pay good attention to the needs of our members and be able to care for them using the best evidence-based model available to them, whether it is in the psychosocial rehabilitation or in the treatment. So whichever way it is, we engage them just the way we want to be engaged, and we serve them. We see ourselves as being offering our service and our life to them, and therefore we also have to be able to use what is the best practice in order that is supported by research and based on a whole lot of experience that our clinicians have to be able to assist the in person in their journey to healing or recovery. And that's a guarantee. And every member, even in the accreditation of our program, when the surveyors interviewed our members, and they were able to express that we go beyond the call of duty to do what is needed and necessary to support and assist the individual towards their recovery. That's something we guarantee here at Care Solutions Corporation. So whether you are in our Family Preservation of America program or you are in our youth center, you will get exact same kind of treatment because that's our organizational culture. It's a promise. So you come to a family of professionals that are dedicated and committed to deliver the best healthcare system in America. And I'll say that, and you can take it to the bank. So welcome to Care Solutions Youth Center or Care Solutions Family Preservation of America for the best mental health care that uses the best practices to bring the best outcome for you.